would you say people can cultivate that self-awareness? Because I think as coaches, we are aware because we help other people to be aware. So we're probably more, it might come more naturally. But if you are somebody who's in a professional setting and you've just gone through the motions and studied and got to the next stage and the next stage and you've been on autopilot, what are some ways that you would say people could start with cultivating that?
Yes, great point. I think one of the easiest ways is to get some support, right? So you can invest in working with a coach to learn more about yourself and focus on your own growth and development. And that is going to help you with self-awareness. Working with a coach where you dig into your background, talk about your goals, that can be helpful. Also, I'm a big fan of personality assessments. I think that sometimes those can be a very quick way for people to get some of that self-awareness, understanding from different perspectives about how they are showing up. I'm a master practitioner of the Myers-Briggs type indicator, the MBTI. So that's one that we use with a lot of our clients. I'm also certified in the Hogan assessment. I think those are two great tools, but we know there are a lot of great personality tools out there. One thing I will say, though, is I recommend that people get a personality assessment done through either a certified practitioner or the company's main website. There are a lot of kind of free version knockoff personality assessments online where they've adapted what they think an assessment is testing, and those are not always accurate. I see that a lot with the MBTI specifically. People come to me and, I took a free version online, and those are very different. So that's another quick way. And then I'll say the third way that I'll mention is that you can ask people in your life. And so there's one exercise that we have our clients go through, especially if they're going through career exploration. They're trying to figure out different aspects of what they want to do in the future, and they're not quite sure. We have a whole exercise around them interviewing other people. So they present people with different questions. So you can email it to people, you can text it to people. As a coach, sometimes we have clients send people in their lives, friends, family members, coworkers, the questions, and then we have them email them directly to their coach that they're working with, because sometimes people aren't comfortable sharing that information directly. It's just questions like, what do you think my strengths are? What do you think are areas that I excel in or superpowers? What do you think comes naturally for me? Just different questions like that. So those are three ways that I think that people can get some self-awareness, just more about who they are, and then also what their strengths are and weaknesses.